You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. So people are going, I hope everybody good. So first, before we go into the video, I want to tell everybody thanks for 3,000 subscribers. We just hit 3,000 subscribers about 2 days ago and it look good so far, isn't it? So everybody who has subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed already, just click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. And like that video too, please. Alright, so people, that video here is going to be about Mackerel Official. Where she there right now, you see me? How she got there, you see it? And why people are talking about that girl here so much. Me don't know, we are going to talk about it in another video here. But first, wanna check out J-Rile new video for him song when name UpNorth. People, hit bad, check it out.
She lick me up on the north side. I come down, she come down. We take her out on a boat ride. On a style like this out there. I am me boss a shot for the shot of them. Some real than that them and grow with a lot of them.
So people, since Mackerel Official forward out with that video here in a last week, like she turned an internet sensation. Me never know say somebody life like literally can change so in a no time. You see me? Not even a week, not even 2 weeks, nothing like that. It just changed drastically. But guess what? It changed for the better. And even though it changed for the better, some people still are hate on the girl. You see me? Which I don't know. So after that video here did go viral.
Me a girl, me not really like people, man. I just like going at people life. I just like mash up people relationship. So I just like to go, I just like to go and take over. So I take a girl, man, me nah no fear. That's all, doubly.
She did an interview with Star Jamaica, you see me? And this is how the interview go.
I don't know, say Ladesha Francis, aka Mackerel. You know, say Goodie come out and all these things. I love the people in man. I'm the type of person I like to do comedies. I'm like a comedian type. I always want to go to Ednaman performing arts.
How did you get the name Mackerel?
Well, it was one day when I was at orientation and the guidance counselor was talking about someone who will eat mackerel and rice. The auditorium silent, but you me don't eat mackerel and something there. I just ball out in the silent auditorium. Lord! Some friends say that the girl in the video with me, all the video, she say, but compared to boy you eat mackerel, I favor mackerel. So from that day the name stuck. Me hear people say she favor cockroach, wants to pay the vegan, both on Facebook and Instagram. But me have make you know say, look no, your man will live good you will wash, cook and clean for your cockroach like me. Because the cockroach are just jovial and full of fun and entertainment, so and you pretty and boring and miss, you know, so you say me a cockroach, so we just give the people what they want. Yeah. People man can't stop take, people man comfortable and nice. Me enjoy people man. Because at the end of the day, I don't have no responsibility when you take people man. You not wash, you not cook, you not clean. You just collect people man nice. When I stop take people, man. Yeah, so the interview, it go on good and me have to rate her. Me rate her spirit, me rate her style and everything. She makes some claims that say, yo, I never people, man, she did a fight over when she get the chop in her head. She actually did a part of fight and then she get chop in her head during the crossfire. But people, I don't know how truth is that or how credible is that, but me have to work off of what she say. You see, because some people still say, how come she still having the ear from December till now? And she also clear up that statement. So people, right now, Mackerel Official are the hottest thing, which me tell her that already. You see it? She get a makeover. She get a makeover right now. The girl look hot. And you know, say me they do a previous video and I say the girl here, she not ugly. You see me? People I say she ugly. People I say yo her eye they want we and she can't this chat and she look like cockroach and all sort of things. You see me? But me they don't tell you no say she just needs some money to spend on her and then you will see how she look. You will see her true potential. And she did just that. So KD give her a makeover. So check out Mackerel Official makeover.
The good clothes and the good shoes them. Good chain and the good ring them. Me shopping at the mall and the good sword them. My car when me drive and the good
Yeah, me I tell her, say the girl hot, the girl nice. You see me, nothing wrong with the girl. You see it? And right now, me I tell her, her thing upon another level because she get 20,000 followers in just about a day. After the Star did that interview and post her on the front page of the Star, which would be Friday Star, Friday gone, yo, the whole internet going on frenzy. The whole internet start talk about she, and she are the hot topic right now. And the girl that make use of it, she not do it like some other people where game stardom to fame through the internet, you see me, through the social media thing, and then fall off and don't get no money off it. The girl start to dub, you see me, I mean jingles and stuff like that. She advertise party, you see it. She have her clothing line for forward out. She even come in a Kaleido new upcoming video. And me have a preview of it, so I want to check it out right now.
Squat. Wine pon the body, girl. Feel the energy in your tummy, girl. Chop wine.
I want to go on.
Just take the people, man. Which one can come out of the woods there?
So people, you see say the music video there, it's supposed to be hot. And Kaleido a capitalize on it. Quick and fast. Me say, Goodie make a new page. She make a new Instagram page. So she have one or official Instagram page when you Mackerel Official. You see me? And she make a new one today Sunday here when you Mackerel Official 1. And it gained over 12,000 followers in just a day. You see me? And that's her backup page. So you know, say she have some real fans out there. Me no feel like say the haters them a match up with the fans, but me feel like say she have some real die-hearted people where just see her and like her work because I'm a fan of her. You see me see her, me like her confidence and all these things. And me like say she black and cool. Me not care who no want say. Me like say she black and cool. Only hope she no bleach out her skin and stuff like that. You see it? But the music video supposed to go be hot. We don't know when it a drop yet or nothing like that. You see it? And she have a few words about taking your friend, man. So ladies, when watch the part here and don't take on your friend, man.
I come for telling the truth and nothing about the truth. But say no matter how much you know sexy him good, cut it up and back it up and tack it up good. No matter how much you know wash out them white clothes them good. No matter how much you know mustard when you come forward, tired out. No matter how much you know cook the finest set a meal team. If when a man decides say, he might go cool the bun, he might go just cool the mouth. Cause every man give one. I just say truth. I'm not myself telling you the truth, but I just say truth that I'll not do. I just love fool myself and don't put myself in a position, but don't make the man hurt to know that's enough for mad.
You know, say big man makes woman a f***ry. Big f***ry. Because I see the whole of una parade this little girl named so sad Mackerel. I don't know if a Jack Mackerel and Grace Mackerel come together and get that Mackerel, yeah? What a Mackerel she name? A Mackerel that make you know say listen, people man, them nice. Take people man, all types of and me see the whole of uno depan, yeah, LOL, got that goodie like on a class ZG Sparks. Uno for move and go. It's enough for uno coming like Chlorine Kardashian, you know. Because look pan she ever take the man from a girl named Jordan. No one girl named Jordan take back her man. And now she vex. She not for vex. Anything on share, uno must can't take back. It's like uno share mackerel, but one back oxtail. Life no work, so uno coming like some hippopotamus, cause uno hypocritical. Cause enough for uno out here broke the girl them foot, and as a girl broke back your foot, you ball out for like your name her. All me I say is stop take people man if you can't take.
Yeah. So, me I tell you, our style and everything, me like it, you see me? And people, I hope say, like, the girl here, she not just hot now, and like, probably next couple of weeks, she not hot again, which me not really think say, that I will go on still, because me see say, she a put in the work, she a make the right links them, she a make the right connect, and all these things, you see me? So, me rate her, Mackerel Official, go on the thing, don't pre when people want call you cockroach. You see me? Don't pray what people want to say you resemble Momo. You see it? Right now, I are the hot topic, and you have a spotlight, and yeah, do it. I rate you. And I hope this can inspire a lot of people out there when you say, yo, you can follow on a dream, you know. So, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, remember to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed already, give that video here a thumbs up and tell me what you think in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
She lick me up on the north side. From town she come down. We take her out on a boat ride. On a style like this out there. I am me boss a shot for the shot of them. Some real under them and grow with a lot of them.